Hi guys, good afternoon. It's me again. Today I'm on a roll. It's lunchtime and a really delicious and I would say exotic menu just popped into my head. I have never tried this before, but I feel like, okay, let me prepare this dish and just share it with my audience while I am preparing it. Guys, I have to tell you, content creation is not easy. It is not easy. First of all, you need to have the confidence, which I think I have built over time, but the creativity is something else. The art of coming up with content, it's not easy, especially for me, because I try my best to not come across here as showy. I just want to be authentic. I want to be myself. So I just want to come here and just share, you know, my day-to-day life with you, especially my cooking. And today I'm going to cook, like I said, something I have not tried before. Well, it's rice. Rice is the staple, and fish is the protein, salmon, but I'm going to cook it differently. I went to a restaurant last week and I noticed the dish. Someone had the dish, and I think that one of the ingredients was coconut milk. So I saw what it looked like and I said, okay, I will try it. So yeah, this is my rice. I'm using basmati rice. It's very easy to prepare. I mean, to cook, it cooks very quickly and it's also very grainy. I like it. So I'm just gonna put it, well, let me first put the water, allow the water to get hot before I put it. Yeah, so that's what I'm cooking today for lunch. It is Saturday. How are you? How are you spending your Saturday? Here in Florida, it is very overcast. It's not raining heavily, but it's drizzling. Outside is very wet. I went out earlier to the gym and decided that I'm not gonna go out. I'm just gonna stay inside my clean, warm and toasty apartment and keep myself warm while I feed myself to a delicious meal. Let's start. I have just basic ingredients, nothing much. Some onions, garlic, bell pepper, a tomato and a lemon. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dice those up, the pepper and the garlic and onions. Yeah guys, so I hope this dish turns out very well, like I anticipate. Okay, I love garlic in my cooking. Let me, I have the salmon here. So these days I have switched from vegetable oil, or you know, and I've been using avocado oil in my food preparation. So I just put some oil here, not much, just to saute the. Right here we have pepper, bell pepper, tomato, onion and garlic. Yep. So I put my salmon in. So let me just cover it. I usually don't like adding water. I just cover it, and then I guess the steam is what creates the juices. Yep. Cover it for a few minutes. Put it on a low fire. I'm gonna put the coconut milk. Salmon cooks very quickly. Boil for a bit. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks. I think it's ready. That was very quick. It was less than 10-15 minutes. The rice is ready and the fish is also ready, and it tastes delicious. This rice cooks so quickly. Look at that. See, it cooks very well. I love white rice with salmon. I do. So I think it's more about the presentation than the meal itself. It looked the way it was presented at the restaurant was so beautiful. It caught my eye, it caught my attention, and I said, you know what, I want to go home and prepare something similar. So let's see if I can present it as beautiful or even more beautiful than I saw it at the restaurant. So here we are. I used to always wonder when I go to restaurants, I used to always wonder, how do they get the rice to make such beautiful shape? And I realized, oh, it's simple. You just use something at home, a bowl, small bowl, you know, and you place the rice in there just like that, and you just put it in the plate. So this is what I'm going to do. I hope it turns out well. So here's the rice in here. Voila. Can you see that? Okay, here's the fish. So what they did, I think I don't have enough gravy. They put the gravy just around a bit. Forgive me guys, I'm trying. Okay, so I think they placed the fish right on the rice like this. You see that? And then they put the gravy around the rice like that. So guys, here is the lunch. Here's the lunch. See, mixed veggies, carrots, beans, and corn with white rice, and salmon. I'll just squeeze some lemon on my salmon. So you see how simple it is to prepare lunch at home. You don't have to order fast food, or you don't have to order something at the restaurant, like takeout. You don't know what are the ingredients that they are using. So always try to cook your food at home, just be creative. Simple and creative, but healthy is the most important thing that we want to achieve. Healthy eating, clean eating. Thank you so much guys for stopping by and watching the video till the end. I feel very famished. It is 12:53, but I feel very hungry, and I cannot wait to dive in and start eating my delicious lunch. Guys, please tell me what type of videos you would like me to share with you, what type of content you would like me to create. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and you continue to come here and watch my videos, but you haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing. Help my channel grow, help us get to 1,000 subscribers before summer 2024. Yeah, I need to put in the work, guys. I need to put in the work. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you like the video. Please share with your friend. If you are a subscriber, you like my channel, please share with your friends. Encourage them to also subscribe. Let us grow this channel. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I realize that growing a YouTube channel is very, very difficult. If you stumble on the video, if you watch the video, kindly like the video. Also subscribe if you haven't. It's free. You are not losing anything. It's free. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on the next one. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I also hope you had something to eat today, something very delicious. Whatever it is, be very thankful for that. There are lots of people in the world who do not have three meals, and there are lots of people who have food but they cannot eat because they are not healthy. So just be grateful for the small things, the little things, very small things, because you will realize one day that those very small things were very important. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.